And it is not good news for the champions of fake meat, as consumers now are shunning pricier meat alternatives. This because of high inflation globally. Now, Beyond Meat, the company that provides alternative meat, has lowered its revenue forecast for a year. It has announced job cuts as well. This as rising inflation is hurting companies' efforts to make its pricier plant-based meat more affordable for consumers across the globe. Now, higher prices of plant-based meat have slowed growth of category, with people trading down to lower priced chicken and beef. The second quarter saw sequential contraction in US household penetration of plant-based meat for the first time in more than 4 years. Beyond Meat now expects 2022 revenue of $470 million to $520 million. It was compared to earlier of $560 to $620 million. Analysts were expecting revenue of $559 million. Company's cash and cash reserves, they were at $454 million at the end of second quarter. The net cash used in operating activities was $235 million for the first half of the year. Now, Beyond Meat also said it would aim to reduce operating expenses after its loss of $1.5 per share for the second quarter. It was much wider than analysts' expectations of $1.18. It was to record nearly $8 billion in annualized savings. The Beyond Meat company said it would cut roughly 4% of its global workforce as well. It had over 1,100 full-time employees and 311 full-time contract workers as of last year. Net revenue of the company also declined 1.6% to $147 million. WION now available in your country. Download the app and get all the news on the move.